Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get hot sauce out of your eye. The first and most crucial step is to resist the urge to rub your eye, as this can actually spread the capsaicin and worsen the irritation. Instead, you need to immediately flush your eye with cool, clean water. Aim for a continuous stream for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You can use a gentle flow from a faucet or pour water from a clean cup. Continue to blink frequently while flushing your eye. This helps to dislodge any remaining hot sauce particles and ensures the water reaches all affected areas. If the burning persists after the initial flush, a sterile saline solution or an over-the-counter eye wash can provide additional relief. Remember, never use soap or any harsh chemicals near your eye, as these can cause further damage and irritation. While most hot sauce incidents resolve with thorough flushing, it's important to know when to seek professional help. If you experience persistent pain, severe redness, or any changes in your vision after flushing, consult a doctor immediately. Extreme sensitivity to light or a feeling that something is still in your eye are also reasons to seek medical attention. Do not hesitate to get help if you are concerned. Preventing hot sauce in your eye is always better than treating it. Always wear protective eyewear, like safety glasses, when you're cutting hot peppers or handling spicy sauces. And remember to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water immediately after contact, before touching your face. For more helpful tips and resources, check the description below. You'll find a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Stay safe and informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.